If you'd like to know by the numbers the best time to publish YouTube videos on a weekly or daily basis, as well as live stream, TubeBuddy has a tool. Click the TubeBuddy tool in the top right hand corner. That'll answer that question for you. Go to best time to publish, and it'll bring you here to your channel analytics section under audience within your dashboard. Now, YouTube does provide you when your viewers are on YouTube, and that's helpful, but it doesn't give you a very specific time that you should publish, whereas TubeBuddy does. So if we scroll down, TubeBuddy's recommendation on upload time will give you a weekly recommendation. And if you were to upload once per week, and it's pulling from your previous data, by the way, on your channel, if you were to upload once per week, this would be your optimal day and time of the week to upload. So if you're scheduling uploads, start by using this recommendation and then experiment from there. If you're doing more than one upload per week, then take a look at the daily suggestions. And within the daily suggestions, it gives you an optimal time of day in your time zone to upload your videos each and every day of the week. Pretty cool stuff, right? Then you can click the live stream time and notice how the times differ a little bit versus the upload times. So why do those times differ? Well, if you look at how this is all calculated, notice below there is an upload time versus live stream time explanation. And basically what TubeBuddy's saying here is for upload time recommendations, they're looking at 6-hour blocks of time, whereas with live stream time, they're looking at 2-hour blocks of time, because they know that the bulk of your subscribers are going to view your video during the first hour and then a decaying amount over the next 5 hours. Whereas with live streams, they're going to assume that most people will stream for about an hour or so. And so the idea is that you want to stream right when your audience is most active. So keep that in mind and understand that these are just recommendations. I view these TubeBuddy recommendations on when to publish, upload time, and live stream time as a fantastic starting place for your upload schedule. And please note that these times only have, let's say, short-term performance gains. In the long term, as it says right here, the performance of your video isn't that impacted by when you first uploaded it. That's the case for most videos on my channel. 90% plus of their performance comes after the first day. If you're ready to go deeper to learn more about YouTube growth and TubeBuddy as a tool, we created a totally free guide at notcorrupt.media going in depth on all of the features that you need to know about to grow faster and to make your life easier when using YouTube as a platform. That's notcorrupt.media.